Hope for allowing us to stay at their estates during our progress this time. Sir Giles, looking forward to present myself, sorry.
Hi, Your Majesty. Worthy people, I am Sir Giles Thornbridge, the Earl of Sussex and Lord of this county. And as the owner of the land on which Mount Hope sits, its responsible party. It is my humble pleasure, Your Majesty, to host yourself and your court here for our great autumn harvest festival. However, I must profusely apologize for this nonsensical discourse. I beseech the presence to take a more proper correction. Although, you know how they cling to their ways for superstition.
What the devil was ever talking about, Giles? I love these decorations of your ghosties and skeletons. Look at the skeletons.
Skeletons, sir?
What did I say?
Nothing.
Silly people, I am Sir Walter Raleigh, Governor of Virginia, and Her Majesty's former privateer. And I haven't even got the goons of the world. Like I was going to come here without a boon. Well done, Queen. Take me. She's very strong. Here, let's see her. Not that day. Funny story about that. Aha! An ear of corn for the beast of Braymore Downs!
Why am I not surprised that I just believe in this nonsense? Where did you get that?
From here.
Paganism, through and through. Oscar, take it away.
Aye, sir.
Put it back into it.
Oh, wait, let's actually go. Let's take half of it. You can do it. All right.
Yes.
Look at that. Look at the doing also. It's amazing.
There we are. All right, so. Right there. Accolade for idea over it. That was lovely. Dear Sir Giles, we find no harm in a little bit of superstition. These people have worked very hard to make this festival a merry one, and so we think. Master Cathedral's movement, and everything looks lovely.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
We truthfully have a bevy of delights prepared this day, Your Majesty.
We have the Lord Chamberlain's man here upon before William Shakespeare's own, the Comedy of Errors. We've got musicians in spades, daring duelists, captivating storyteller.
Corporal punishment. Even a drag show. We truthfully have a bevy of delights for you, Your Majesty, and follow me. The beast of Braymore Downs.
It's also a wonderful opportunity to show off the wealth that has accrued off the Shire. You know, the Shire's location on the Thames makes it a perfect shipping and receiving location for all the goods I bring back from the New World. Good to be, eh?
Aye, well, we are also reminded that our captain of the Union Guard says about a blackletter from Mount Hope, Shire. And says, well, what think you of Giles' disdain for all of these traditions? Your Majesty, I would be a fool to argue against showering gifts and appreciation unto a powerful protector. Aye, just think. This was recorded from your fucking reading this day. Look there.
Nevertheless, Your Majesty, none of this insensate disagreement would be happening if we had just gone to a nice, quiet festival in my home Shire of Bexhill by the sea, where there's no ridiculous superstition, no paganism, and no silly, spooky monster men.
Spooky monster man, is that right? Little minnows, you are already so tiresome. Must you continue to pile on the merits against yourselves?
Who the devil art thou? Explain thyself at once.
The devil! I'm flattered. But nay, I am merely a concerned citizen when they see.
Thou art what thou sayest, O erudition, and speak us plainly then.
I call by many names, but you, I think, would know me as the Kelpie.
The Kelpie? It's a ridiculous bedtime story told by mothers to keep their children away from deep waters.
Oh, I thought thou didst believe wholeheartedly in myths.
Really, Giles?
He's the very thing. Stop it. Preacher, speak to us plainly. We grow tired of your games.
Games? Oh, how I wish it was only games. This is a matter of life and death. I have lived here since your mighty Thames was not but a wee trickle of a stream, since the timbers of your great ships were not yet sailings, and since your divine right was not yet an afterthought in the minds of your apostles. Long did I live in peace, warding off those who would act as fools on my shores, and slumbering in the coolness of my nets. But that quiet tune has slipped through my fingers like sand in the current, as I suddenly found myself rattled by the thunder of birds overhead, the churning of oars muddying my clear waters, the incessant crackle of human voices quarreling over commerce, even as their refuse poison my prey. I am stunned. Your Highness, choked by your success. So forgive me, little minnows, for intruding upon your festivities. Think of it as returning the favor.
But what would you have of us? These people are innocent and undeserving of thine ire.
Innocent! None who profit now are innocent of the destruction wreaked upon my rivers. Oh, of you pillage the green of the land, and when that no longer satisfies, you seek to bend the water to your will instead. But I am old. I grow tired of this battle as it begins. So I offer you a deal.
Kind deal.
If thou desirest the river so badly, Walter Raleigh, I shall give you that reward. But in return, this land will be marked. Your village will drown. I will scour your fields and your roads with my flood. I will silence your people with the seed of my tides, and then I will devour your bodies. You, Walter Raleigh, you will sail freely. Nothing ahead but the open seas and the wind at your back. Forever, as is your love. That is my deal.
We cannot brook this foul talk. Release them at once, or by St. George.
There is no need for negotiations to come to blows. Yet, think it over for the time, your majesty. I am a just creature. I will watch and I will wait until sundown. And if you and this pathetic little village does not surrender to me before sundown, that darkness will be the last thing any of you ever see.
Well, that was all rather gauche, wasn't it?
What? That was clearly just some disturbed mentalist with a penchant for the dramatic.
And no manners. I'm addressing him Walter Raleigh as if he's important. I'm the lord of this county. It's my land.
Was that really the entire takeaway from that experience, Charles? Really?
Then which is the monster men you'll say about kelpies? Happy here. Preface.
Thank you.
We got nothing, sir.
Well, we are reminded of a story our Scottish cousins would tell us when they were trying to frighten us as children, the legend of the Kelpie, right? We're not appearing as a man, they take the form of a large horse, and if we recall, this devil horse may be bested with, what was it? A silver bridle! Hi!
Silver bridle!
I indeed, Deborah, come forward.
I Majesty.
Have we not our own royal steed here upon?
But of course, Penelope was in fine fashion. Oh, that's right. Penelope has a silver bridle indeed. That's a Majesty boy, clean and polishing this morning. I have it right here, Your Majesty.
Very convenient. Thank you. Oh, yes, this would be very nice, Betsy.
Your Majesty, allow me to take this to the Phoenix box.
Nay, Your Majesty, it is my arrogance that has allowed this fiend into our lands. Remain and I shall handle it.
Now hold it all. Your Majesty, as the master of horse, I do believe it is my responsibility. I can take it from here.
Nay, none of you shall go off impulsively after this feast. That's... Look, Isabella's sword is stronger than all of mine, so... This creature possesses power and canniness far beyond that of a mortal combatant. You shall all be slain.
Grand, send the whole lot then.
Such giants! Wherefore art thou so callous and flippant this day?
Beg pardon, Your Majesty. Just something that none of this is real. It's all nonsense and paganism, Your Majesty, just like the silly little Bartleby.
The beast of Braymore Downs.
The beast of Braymore Downs!
The hero of the Shire.
That's possibly he that wants to save us now.
Your Majesty, I hereby cede my position as honorary man of Shire and give it to Bartleby, the Beast of Braymore Downs.
That is not necessary.
Well, then I'll take it then.
But he's so shy and wily. He isn't any sort of capture.
We do have that portrait of him, though.
Aye, whole portrait. He's such fucking good.
It's not new.
It's very nice.
It's nice.
Well, we may anyway to tend to this beast out of hiding and communicate our need for their aid.
Aye, Your Majesty, after all, this very festival has been put on in his honor for generations.
Aye, so it stands to reason then that the best way to reach him is with revels.
We simply must send out our finest street
I wear a most intricate costume.
and have the most merry,
Yea, magnificent, nay, mind-blowing, mid-autumn festival of all time!
Well, all right then. Hi, our good people, we do apologize for the fright that time we've had here. However, if we are to draw out the protector of the Shire, and we are indeed to do it by celebrating, then we shall celebrate with gusto. So, my good people, go forth and enjoy thy festival day. Your very lives may depend on it.
praise the Queen.
God save the Queen!
Trumpet.
God, I hate this place.
They're the trumpets. They are not as talented, so elegant.
Thank you.